Hello friends, you are watching
Softwares.
and I'm your host Gaurav. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from one jFrame to another in NetBeans. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have two jFrames. One is jFrame 1 and another is jFrame 2. Now I want to do something like this, that when I press this button on jFrame 1, then the text of this text field gets transferred to the text field of this jFrame 2. So let me firstly tell you that the components of jFrame have a private access, that is, they can only be controlled by the components of the jFrame on which they are present. For example, this send button and this text field can only be controlled by all the components which are present on this jFrame 1 only, and not by the components of this jFrame 2. But we can still control it by changing its private void property. So let's see how to do that. So firstly, click on the component that you want to control from another jFrame. In my case, I am going to control the components of jFrame 2 with the help of the components of jFrame 1. So I right click on the J button and then click on customize code, and there you could see access. Now click this combo box and convert it into public, and then check this static and then click OK. Now we'll do the same with this text field, customize code, public, and then static. When you will see it firstly, then you will find then that it is something like this. It will be something like this, private static. You will have to do it public static. Now when these components are public static, they can be controlled by another jFrame components. So now come to the jFrame from where you want to control the components. In my case, it is jFrame 1. And now I go to the event handler of this send button, and here is the code. It looks confusing, but let me explain. It is a very simple one-line code. We firstly write the variable name of jFrame which we want to rule on. So in my case, it's jFrame 2. Then put a dot, then type the variable name of the component which is going to be controlled, and then put another dot. So in my case, in the jFrame 2, this text field I want to control, and its variable name is receiver. So I write jframe2.receiver. And then type in what you want to do. For example, I want to set text. So I typed in set text, and in the bracket type the text that you want to set. So I write sender.getText, because in my case this text field has the variable name sender, and when I click this button, send button, then the text from this sender text field will get transferred to this receiver text field on the jFrame 2. So here I have written new jframe2.setVisible, and when I will click this send button, then this button will open up this jframe2 and will get the text from this text field and will transfer it to this text field of jframe2. So let's see how it works. So I write hi and click send, and here you could see jframe2 contains hi written in it. So this is how this program works, and this is how you send the text from one jFrame to another. So I hope you like this video. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time.